Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Firestore collections with Admin SDK scripts step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate to the newly created directory. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. Install the Firebase Admin SDK by executing npm install Firebase Admin. Create a new JavaScript file in the project directory. Open the JavaScript file in your preferred code editor. Import the Firebase Admin SDK by adding const admin equals require Firebase Admin at the top of your file. Next, initialize your Firebase app using your service account key. Load the service account key JSON file with const service account equals require path / your service account key.json. Call admin.initialize app credential admin credential.cert service account to initialize the app. Create a function to restore your Firestore collections. Inside this function, use const db equals admin Firestore to get a reference to your Firestore database. Identify the collection you want to restore with a variable, such as const collectionref equals db.collection, your _collection _name. Retrieve the backup data, which could be stored in a JSON file or another source. If using a JSON file, read the file using const backup data equals require path / backup.json. Use a loop to iterate over the backup data. Inside the loop, use await collectionref.doc docid.set data to set each document back to Firestore. Make sure to handle any errors that may occur during the write operations. Finalize your script by calling the function you created. Add error handling to log any issues during the restoration process. Test the script by running node your _script _name.js in your terminal. Check your Firestore database to ensure the collections have been restored successfully. Consider implementing a logging mechanism to track the restoration process. After confirming a successful restoration, you can clean up any temporary files used for the process. Your script should now be ready for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.